Hello everyone, I am Shubham, the founder of PLG OS. I hope you are doing well. Today we will explore a feature that will significantly enhance your time management: campaign cloning. With campaign cloning, you can effortlessly duplicate any successful campaign, make minor adjustments, and launch a new version. Our process commences with the PLG OS dashboard. Access the left-hand sidebar and select the Campaigns menu item. Navigate to the My Campaigns dashboard, which displays all your existing campaigns. Scroll through the list to identify the campaign you wish to duplicate. Locate the campaign's name and select the three-dot options menu located in the far right corner. Choose the clone option from the drop-down menu. A new window will emerge, containing all the settings from your original campaign. This window allows you to edit any desired aspects, such as updating, modifying, or applying changes. Upon completing your edits, select the Preview button. This will display a live, accurate representation of how the cloned campaign appears across various devices. Once you are fully satisfied with your edits and the preview is satisfactory, click the Publish button. You will then be redirected back to the My Campaigns dashboard, where the newly updated clone campaign will be listed and ready to generate results. We appreciate your attention to this feature. If you have any feedback or encounter difficulties while cloning or utilizing any other aspect of PLG OS, please provide your comments below or contact our support team.